Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about playing our patterns or rudiments in every possible or almost subdivision. That's a really good thing to, go in depth with any rudiment and know how to play it, not only in different time signatures or to be able to take different starting points within the beats, but also being able to play it in any subdivision we want. For example, let's take our classic paradiddle right, left, right, left, right, left, left. In the click, we would tend to play it this way. But now, let's try and dive into every subdivision. And the first one is not the simplest, because you have to be very accurate and hit really with the click, and that's not that easy. Not that easy. Two subdivided. Three subdivided. To get a sense of the subdivision, just start with only subdividing. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. And then four subdivided. Easy. Five subdivided. So let's find the subdivision first and then we will play the paradiddle. Here it's starting to get very interesting. The goal also here while practicing is to try to notice when the clicks are falling into our paradiddle. And it starts to make a rhythm together and we can almost sing it like tak tik tak tik tak tik tak tik tak tik tak tik tak ting tak tik tak tik tak. And it gets easier to play if we know this song that we are making with the click by heart. So tak 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 tik tak tik tak. And as the click and the rudiment have only 16 notes difference, you see that the click is falling just after my first accent, and then it will shift 1/16th note after, and then again 1/16th note after, and then it will land again on my first subdivision of the rudiment. So let's try it again. Okay, now 6 subdivided. So this song is easier to learn. Tac, tac, tick, tac, tick, tac, tick, tac, tick, tac, tick. And now, my favorite, the 7 subdivided. So, and the sound it makes is quite cool. It's like tac, tick, tac, tick, tac, tac, tick, tac, ta tick, tac, tick, tac, tick, tac, tick, tac, tac, tick, tac, ta tick, tac. The click is shifting a little each time. And you just have to be sure you can take it slower, of course. I recommend it, though. But just be sure of where does the click falls into your rudiment. Like the first, for example, the first few clicks will be like da, ga, the first click, of course, falls with the first 16th note. The second click is like it will land on this ghost note. The second ghost note of the left hand. It will be a different note of your rudiment at each occurrence. And this way you can learn, the song and the placements with the click. And once you're comfortable with that, you can find your 7 agains 4 very quicker, at least. So. Okay, so that was 7. 8, easy. And let's try 9. Ah. Da 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 ga da 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 ga da da. I hope this allows you to not get bored anymore. See you next time.